So we got baby here fixing the plumbing. Let's see if we can get in there. She's trying to remove the hose.
Yep. Because it's
an old hose, and we don't want any grossness in our water. So she's getting in there, setting up the water tank so we can have some running water in our vehicle. We're looking forward to it. Anything you want to say to the camera before we bounce out for this little entry?
Yeah, guys, so this is just really moldy, and we're by Home Depot right now, so that we can take this in to make sure that we get the right size, the right
PVC pipe.
Yeah, exactly.
Or tube.
Exactly, the tube. Because we need fresh running water.
Yeah, we just filled up the tanks. I don't know if you can see it, the little blue tanks. 6 gallons with some reverse osmosis. What? Yeah, that's how you know, pristine we like our water. So completely drinkable doesn't mean we will drink it, but we could if we wanted to.
Exactly. And in order to do that, we need a fresh tube. So taking it out so we can start fresh and get our baby Freedom where she needs to be.
Freedom, baby.
And that's all I got for you. I love you guys. Sorry I can't look at the camera right now because I'm very focused, but trust me, I love you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, so currently doing laundry, yay, fun, and fixing the plumbing. I did part 1, which was attach the old hose. Om is now connecting the new hose that we got from sorry it's really loud because we're here next to the main road in Philly. But yeah, so this is a gray tank, so dirty water, clean water, and now we're attaching the hose so that we can get on the road and have fresh water, and for the fresh water to the waste to go into the gray water tank. So we're just connecting everything right now, and we had to bore a hole in this baby, which is going to the top of this, because a lot of Home Depot doesn't have the size that we need. So the best thing to do would be to bore a hole as big enough for the tube so that it can suck all of that space.
So it can, if you're not gonna like seal it properly.
Yeah, a little smaller than the tube.
Alright, so when you want to stop producing and hold this for me.
Okay, BRB guys. Alright guys, so this is a new hose. So in order to make a hole a little bit smaller than this so that the remainder, if you will, sucks up the space so that, or creates a seal. So yes, the space around this hose, we had to make it a little smaller. So what Om did was he traced this circle at the top of the cap of what would be on top of the water tank, and then he cut it with a cutter.
A box cutter.
A box cutter, yeah. And so that's how it looks. Moment of truth.
Let's get all out. You don't need all of this, so. Alright, let's see.
Little snippet. Let's see, moment of truth.
Looks like it's working.
Yay!
So we got that fresh water.
We got that fresh water. Okay.
Boom. But I'm not gonna waste anymore because
Let's not do that.
it's working and we need it.
Yes.
And you hear it?
So
Going down the
guys,
gray.
so yeah, so that's it. And we have a pump as a faucet.
Yeah, hand pump, faucet.
So we may or may not change that. Some people
Right
have
now,
the ones where
we
you
don't
press.
really see the need for it. If anything, we might do a foot pump.
Mm-hmm.
But there's the ones that have the electric pump. We'll see. We'll see how sophisticated we want to get it. For right now, this will get the job done. We got running water. This is the first time.
Amen.
Had it,
Blessings.
So
gratitude, gratitude, gratitude.
Push this down in there.
Look at that water. And that's it, guys. That is how to create your own
plumbing system.
Your own plumbing
own
system.
Water system. I'm proud of us.
I'm proud of us
I don't know
too.
if y'all are. I'm not a plumber. Never been a plumber. But now I technically am.
I'm so fly, I feel at home.